Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear.
Okay, so we have chicken that's been cut. We cut chicken, yay! I don't like to eat chicken because I think it's too healthy. Okay, so we're gonna play with random ingredients. That's what I like to do. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so first, hoisin sauce.
That thing is really annoying.
Yes, because it's awesome. And I don't measure. You just dump it in, you know, until it looks good. Some of that. Let's see. I've been cooking with orange juice lately, so we're gonna put orange juice. This is pure orange juice, like it's just orange and no sugar. And some soy sauce.
Is this gonna go on YouTube?
And
They're right there.
just mix it.
Yeah.
Do you want to wash them?
Wow, we're gonna use them?
No, but Daddy eat like that. You don't wash them. Take it out. Eat it.
And this is just some hoisin sauce. Some more oyster sauce. Just marinate it like that. And my favorite pepper. Yeah, I like to put pepper in everything.
You try to blow me up, little salt rat.
And sugar.
You almost blew you off. You don't need to record this.
And here's sugar. Sugar spoon goes into the sugar jar. Some salt. And some pepper. Yay, my favorite. I'll put very little pepper. People happen to not like pepper.
Pepper.
Just marinate it. Looks kind of like this. Marinating. And just let it marinate for a while. Okay, so we have hot oil on the fire, and it's hot. You don't want to touch it because it's hot, obviously. And then just some garlic. And just brown some garlic. Leave the garlic brown for a little bit. Doesn't take that long. Just brown the garlic. And then remember the marinated chicken? Yay, the marinated chicken. And then you just put the chicken in after the garlic browns. Like some more oil. Put a little bit more oil. Just a little stick. Then you just put in the chicken. Chicken takes a while to cook. You can't eat raw chicken. You have to eat well done chicken. There's no raw chicken eating allowed. Chicken is not steak, but you can still put steak seasoning. I do anyway. Just a little bit. Just put some there. Let it cook. It'll dry. The sauce will like dry up and cook on its own. Just let it cook for a while.
Yeah, when it's less hot.
While it's cooking, it looks like this. It's still cooking. So. No, we get it for a whole year for free, Mom. And just make sure the chicken is cooking. That it is cooking. And just a little. This is just some orange. A little bit. It's like rice wine. Not really. Like distilled rice wine. Let it cook a little.
The LP.
And then it looks like this. And then you just wait till it's done. Like, you know, it's chicken. You know when chicken's done, you can't eat chicken raw. So just make sure it's done and then you can eat it. Yay! So when it looks like that, it's pretty much done. You turn off the stove. And then, so the stove is off. And then you just and yay, it's done. And here you go, you can look at it. So it's on salad, and there's tomatoes, and there's chicken. There's only salad and tomato because my mom wants us to eat healthier. Therefore, there's vegetables on this plate, as you can see. But yeah, because she wants us to eat healthier.
I'm a jelly bear.